Dear researchers, and welcome to all learners. Today in this video I am going to show you that how you can calculate the impact factor of a journal. So let's start with slide number 1. First question is, what is impact factor? The impact factor or journal impact factor of an academic journal in a scientometric index that reflects the yearly average number of citations that article published in last 2 years, or it can be in last 5 years. So next question, the journal impact factor is an offshoot of citation analysis, is journal impact factor which is used to sort or rank journal by their relative importance. So we can say we can analyze the quality of the journal. The underlying assumption behind impact factor is that journal with high impact factor articles that are cited more than journals with lower impact factor. So the next question, we assume that impact factor, how we can use it. So then impact factor may be used by authors to decide where to submit an article for the publication purpose, and libraries to make a collection development decision. The next is impact factor that is defined by Thomson Scientific. Thomson defines impact factor as the journal impact factor is the average number of times articles from the journal published in last 2 years have been cited in the JCR-ES. In other terms, the impact factor is calculated by dividing the number of citations in the JCR year by the total number of articles published in 2 previous years. Impact factor can be calculated through 2 years or 5 years accordingly. So this is the actual formula. We can see impact factor of journal impact factor for year X. X, it may be any year. X is equal to citations in X to articles published in X minus 1. Suppose we assume X is equal to 2017, then citation in X to article published in 2017 minus 1, that is 2016, and X minus 2 2015. So we are calculating the impact factor in 2 years of 2 years. So this is the standard formula of citation. This is the actual formula of impact factor divided by article published in X minus 1 and X minus 2. It can be 2016 and 2015 years. So this is the actual formula. Next, if we consider the impact factor of 2 years, then the main calculation will be impact factor in 2018 is equal to cited count in 2018 of paper published in 2017 plus cited count in 2018 of paper published in 2016. So we are adding all these 2 years 17 and 16 divided by number of paper published in 2017 plus number of paper published in 2016. So this is the formula of 2 years. So this is the actual figure. Cited in 2016 to item published in 15 is equal to 5598, and 2014 is equal to 3754. After adding all the numbers, the sum will be 9352. So this is the total citation. This is the total citation from 2015 and 2014, and number of item published in 2015 and 14 total. If the total paper published in 2015 around 26 and 2014 in 24 articles, so total articles will be 50 articles. So the actual calculation, citation to recent items divided by number of recent items. So we are dividing the number of figures, 9352 divided by 50. So we can easily calculate the impact factor, and we can make the standard of the journal. So if we talk about the impact factor is the average number of times article from the journal published in the past 2 years have been cited in the JCR years. So this is the actual figures from 2 years, and this is the we are elaborating the formulas. So 5-year general impact factor, if we calculate the impact factor in 5 years, so total we have to calculate, we have to adding all the numbers. So cited in 2007 to item published in 6, 2005, 2004, 2003, 2, and last can be the sum addition of the all the numbers. The number of item published in 2006, 2005, 4, 3, 2. The sum will be 1150. So this is the actual impact factor of last 5 years. So student, we can analyze the impact factor accordingly. So thank you so much.